Connection management, CM, covers various functions. Depending on the different services used, bearer management offers every type of data transfer. These services can be real-time services, RT, with a fixed delay and regular bitrate, or non-real-time services, NRT, with a variable delay. Real-time services need a fixed bitrate, for which a circuit switch connection is typically used. The connection between the user equipment and the core network, CN, is called Radio Access Bearer, RAB. The core network initiates the setup, modification, monitoring and release of an RAB. The UTRAN, Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network, carries out these functions.